In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a deposit on Airbnb. If you're a host, clearly communicating your security deposit terms helps set expectations and protects your space. The process is simple. You'll place your deposit language in your listing's policies or house rules, so guests see it before they book. And any issues are handled through Airbnb's Resolution Center. Start by logging into your host account and switching to hosting mode. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see your host dashboard. From there, go to listings. This is where all of your properties live. Choose the listing you want to update so the changes apply to the correct space. Once you're inside that listing, look for the section labeled Policies or House Rules. The exact label can vary slightly with Airbnb's layout, but the idea is the same. This is the home for your booking rules and important terms. Open that section to edit the text. Now add clear deposit terms in the description. Keep the wording straightforward and aligned with Airbnb's rules. A helpful example you can use is, a security deposit may be requested in case of damages, missing items, or rule violations. Any claims will be processed through Airbnb's Resolution Center. This phrasing covers when the deposit might apply and how issues are handled. It also reassures guests that everything is managed through the platform, which builds trust. A few tips as you write. Keep it concise, avoid legal jargon, and focus on behavior-based triggers like damage, loss, or breaking house rules. Don't direct guests to pay you outside Airbnb, and don't imply that funds are automatically collected up front. On Airbnb, deposits are not pre-charged. If something goes wrong, you submit a claim through the Resolution Center with evidence, and the platform guides both sides through the process. Stating this clearly helps prevent misunderstandings later. When your wording looks good, click Save. Saving is important because it makes your terms visible to guests who are considering your place. By having these details in policies or house rules, you're informing guests ahead of time, which reduces friction, supports you if you need to file a claim, and keeps your listing consistent with platform standards. That's all there is to it. Log in and switch to hosting mode, go to listings, pick your listing, open policies or house rules, add your deposit terms using clear language like the example provided, and save your changes. With this in place, you'll set the right expectations from the start and have a